Hey, this is Chap Ornova. Today we're going to continue with video 4 of our AI niche website case study. Today I'm going to show you how to manually update a WordPress plugin in your WordPress website, okay? So what I want you to do is log into your WordPress website, okay? So here I am logged in. Now come over here, you're going to see a dashboard. You're going to see update right here. So let's just click here, update. I've got 3 of them right here that I can update manually right here of the WordPress plugins, okay? So we can go like this, and we can click Update Plugins, or what we can do is we can come over to Plugin section over here, and then you see right here how it says Update Now, Update Now, Update Now. I'll just show you this. So I'm going to update right here. I'm going to update right there. And then I'm going to come back over here so you can see how this works right here to manually update your WordPress plugins. Okay, come right over here, click Update Plugins. And it's that simple. That's how easily you manually update your WordPress plugins in your WordPress website, okay? So now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress website. I'm going to show you a simple and easy way that you can back it up and put it on your hard drive on your laptop, your desktop, or whatever it is that you're using to make sure you keep your site safe. And like I said, this is the series that we're doing right now on AI niche website case study. I'm going to show you basically how I'm going to get this brand new site that I showed you in video 1, how I'm going to get this site to get hundreds and thousands of visitors every single day and every single month. That's going to help build an email list and show you guys that it's possible. And I'm doing all this with the content writing with our powerful My Content Creator Pro with the elite version that is going to allow you to generate content with ChatGPT, okay? So now what I want you to do is I want you to click the link below this video, okay? There's going to be a link right here where you can save $47 off the elite version. So once you check it out and you see if you like this plugin here, I'm sure you will, because like I said, watch the videos here and you will see how powerful the elite version of My Content Creator Pro is with ChatGPT. Now the Pro version has a lot of good features, but if you, like I said, if you want to take things in the new world of the new AI, I would go with the elite version of My Content Creator Pro. So please watch the videos on this site. Get familiar with all the different features that the Pro version or the Elite version has. You can click right here and go through it all. But like I said, today I just wanted to show you how to manually update your WordPress plugins in your WordPress website, okay? So thanks again, and I'll see you in video 5 that will, like I said, that will be showing you how to back up your WordPress website and how simple it will be for you. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have yourself a great day. Bye.
Struggle with WordPress content writing? Discover My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress. Create engaging, SEO-friendly content with ease. Click the link below this video to transform your WordPress experience with My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress.